Hello everyone, welcome back to Library Exam Hub. In today's video, we are going to learn Unit 3 Information Institutions, an important topic for BLIS 2021. This topic is highly relevant for IGNOU examinations, UGC NET, SCT, SET, AVS, NVS, DSSSB, and library recruitment examinations. We will understand how information institutions evolve, explore their different types, examine Indian information infrastructure, and discuss their role in today's knowledge-based economy. So let's begin. Let's understand what we will learn in this lecture. By the end of this session, you will be able to define information institution, explain their evolution, identify different types, understand their development in India, describe their role in knowledge-based economy, and confidently answer examination question related to this topic. An information institution is an organization that collects, organizes, store, process, preserves, retrieves, and disseminates information to users. Simply put, these institutions ensure that right information reaches the right users at the right time. Example includes libraries, documentation centers, information analysis centers, data centers, and referral centers. Information institutions have continuously evolved with the growth of human knowledge. The journey started with ancient libraries preserving manuscripts. After that, inventions of printing press, publications increased rapidly. The information explosion led to the establishment of documentation centers. Later, computer transformed information storage and retrieval. The internet introduced digital libraries, and today artificial intelligence is creating smart information centers capable of delivering personalized information services. This evolution shows that information institutions always adapt to technological advancement. The ICT revolution, digital repositories, the internet, artificial intelligence, and big data. In information continue to grow exponentially. Specialized institutions became essential for organizing and managing knowledge efficiently. Information institutions can be classified into seven major categories. They are like libraries, documentation centers, information analysis center, data center, referral centers, clearing houses, and de-institutionalized information services. Although each institutions perform different functions, all share the common goal of making information easily accessible to users. Libraries are the oldest and most familiar information institutions. They collect, organize, preserve, and provide access to recorded knowledge. Their major functions include acquisition, classification, cataloging, circulation, reference services, and digital services. Example includes national libraries and university libraries, public libraries, special libraries, and digital libraries. Exam tip: libraries mainly provide access to original information resources. Documentation centers focus mainly on scientific and technical information. Their major services include indexing, abstracting, bibliographies, current awareness services, and selective dissemination of information. A very important examination point is the difference between the library and documentation center. A library provides original documents, whereas documentation center provides processed and organized information, helping researchers save time. Information analysis centers add value to information instead of merely collecting information. They critically analyze, interpret, evaluate, and summarize it. They prepare review articles, trend reports, and policy documents that supports research and decision making. Their main users include scientists, researchers, industrialists, and government organizations. They convert raw information into useful knowledge. Data centers are responsible for collecting, storing, processing, and managing data securely. They maintain databases, provide cloud services, backups, and security. Remember this example concept like data are raw facts. Processed data becomes information and applied information becomes knowledge. This relationship is frequently asked in examinations. Referral centers helps users locate the most appropriate information source. Instead of supplying information directly, they guide users to right expert library, documentation center, or database. Their objective is to save users time and improve access to reliable information resources. Clearinghouses collect information from different organizations, verify it, organize it, and redistribute it to users. Here is the important distinction. A referral center only direct users to information sources. A clearinghouse actually collects and distributes verified information. This difference is one of the most frequently asked questions in library science examination. Today, information services are no longer limited to physical buildings. For example, platforms such as Google Scholar, ResearchGate, institutional repositories, digital libraries, AI chatbots, and cloud information systems allow users to access information anytime from anywhere. These services provide 24 into 7 access and global reach, lower cost, and remote accessibility, making information services faster and more user-friendly. India has developed a strong information infrastructure after independence. Organizations such as CSIR, INSDOC, ImpleNet, DellNet, INSCSAR, the National Digital Library, and Digital India initiatives have significantly improved information access and resources sharing across the country. These institutions play a key role in supporting education, research, and digital learning. You can see some major information institutions in India. You, you can pass here and read it by yourself. The future of information institution is driven by emerging technologies, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud libraries, linked data, semantic web, open science, blockchain, and knowledge networks are transforming traditional libraries into smart digital knowledge centers. Future libraries will increasingly work with advanced technologies while continuing support to users' information need. A knowledge-based economy depends on the creation, sharing, and effective use of knowledge. Information institutions contribute by supporting research, innovation, education, and skill development, digital literacy, and knowledge sharing. By enabling information informed decision making, technology, technological advancement, they become essential pillar of national development and economic growth. Let's quickly revise today's lesson. The information institutions have evolved alongside technological advancement. Different institutions perform specialized functions to manage and disseminate information. India has built a strong information infrastructure and future growth will be derived by AI-enabled digital information services. Remember this final takeaway. Information is the foundation of knowledge and information institutions are backbone of knowledge society. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you found this session useful, please like, share and subscribe to Library Exam Hub. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming video on BLS, MLIS, UGC NET, SET and library recruitment examination. If you have any questions, leave them in comments. I will happy to answer them. Thank you and I will see you in next video. Happy learning.